It is a beautiful day outside. We are currently in lockdown, so I'm going to spend it building my video editing PC. Full disclosure, I've never built a PC before. I've never built a PC before. So, hopefully I don't break it.
I love you like la 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 la.
What's up guys, my name is George. I'm a photographer and videographer based in Leeds. On this channel I make content all around photography, filmmaking and freelancing, so if you're interested in any of that, be sure to subscribe and welcome to the channel. Today I am building my first ever PC. The PC I'm building is a video editing PC. I am building this because my MacBook Pro, 2013 MacBook Pro, has been at the end of its life for just over a year now. I'm actually surprised that it's lasted the last 12 months. Anyway, let's crack on with the build and see how we get on. You know the thing with the monkeys at the start of 2001 Space Odyssey, when they're all like... Okay, I totally just mounted the motherboard without filming. So I've just dropped the motherboard in here. It's looking good. Still needs screwing in. It's all looking good so far, so I just need to screw in the motherboard now. I was concerned I was gonna have to change some points or something, but everything looks pretty bang on. My CPU is a Ryzen 7 2700. I know it's an 8 core with 16 threads. That's literally it. That's the entire thing. That's the brain. That's the brain. It's in. Oh my god, it's in! So this is it. He's in. And then we just push down this little lever. And that's him locked in. Wait. I did not realise the panel at the back was going to be loose. Yeah, that's in. Yeah. I think so. The cooler went on eventually. Lewis came and helped me to hold the panel in place, but I had to put down a lot of force on that. That seems right. We're good. We're good. So, at the moment, I've taken out these two grills to get the graphics card onto here. Its pins are supposed to sit in here. And we take the graphics card and we get to pop it in, and we can see that our pins are happily matched. But there's this whole hoo-ha. There's without showing you in a very fiddly way, there's no way that's going to fit in there as it is right now. So I believe I need to take this off, just like temporarily, until it's in. As you can see, it is now dark. I had a bit of a break and then I've just been handling out all the cables and sorting those out. I've got one stray cable that's for the USB-C port that I can't seem to find a match for. So I'm gonna leave it there for now and come back to this tomorrow because I wanna go have some food. And then tomorrow the Wi-Fi dongle will hopefully have arrived as well. And that means I can get it all set up once it's powered on. But that has now been about 3.5 hours. Okay, come on, right. Power on there. Let's see. Oh! Oh! Shit, yeah. The fans are all on. Oh, there's lights. Oh, mate. Yeah. Sick. Okay, it works. So I'll put panels on, tidy up cables, and then tomorrow, once the Wi-Fi dongle arrives, I'll get everything installed. Sick.